Welcome. In this video, we're going to explore a powerful algebraic technique called completing the square. We'll learn how to create perfect square trinomials, which is a fundamental skill for solving quadratic equations. First, let's understand what a perfect square trinomial is. It's a special type of trinomial that can be factored into the square of a binomial. For instance, the expression x plus a squared expands to x squared plus 2ax plus a squared. This resulting trinomial is a perfect square. To help understand this concept visually, imagine a square with sides of length x plus a. The area of this square is x plus a squared. We can break this down into a smaller square with area x squared, two rectangles with area x each, and a tiny square with area a squared. Together, they form the perfect square trinomial. Now, imagine you have an expression like x squared plus bx visually. This is like having the x squared piece and two rectangles of area bx divided by 2. There's a small corner piece missing to make a complete square. Our goal is to find the area of this missing piece. And here's how we find that missing piece. The formula to complete the square is to take the coefficient of our x term, which we call b, divide it by 2, and then square the result. This gives us b over 2 squared. This is the value we need to add to our expression. Let's walk through an example. Suppose we have x squared plus 6x here. Our b value is 6. Half of 6 is 3, and 3 squared is 9. So, we add 9 to the expression to get x squared plus 6x plus 9. This is a perfect square trinomial that factors into x plus 3 squared. The process works the same way even if b is negative. For the expression x squared minus 8x, our b is negative 8. Half of negative 8 is negative 4, and squaring that gives us positive 16. Adding 16 gives us x squared minus 8x plus 16, which factors to x minus 4 squared. It's critical to remember that when you're working with an equation, you can't just add a number to one side. To keep the equation balanced, any value you add to one side must also be added to the other side. So, if we add b over 2 squared to the side with the x terms, we must also add it to the other side of the equation. To recap, here are the key steps to complete the square. First, make sure the x squared and x terms are on one side of the equation. Next, find half of the x term's coefficient, square it, and add this value to both sides of the equation. Finally, factor the perfect square trinomial you've just created. You are now ready to solve for x.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.